So guys, I am actually going to the seaside and I want to take you along with me. Let me show you a little about what is happening here. Just hold on. So this is my surrounding. This is exactly how this place looks like. So what we're seeing in front of us is called the Kamsa Souk. Kamsa Souk is like a Dollar Tree. Yes, everything you get to buy here is 5 riyal, which is about $1.50. I think so, $1.50. So that is, it's called Kamsa Souk. It's a little big. You get from apparel to no, they don't sell groceries here, just majorly apparels, and then you get some kitchen equipment, household equipment. Yes, so that is it for Kamsa Souk. Now this is Qunfudah. This is Qunfudhah city. Yes, Qunfudah is known for fishing. Yeah, they have a very big fishing, is it center or port? I don't know. So it's known for fishing, and it's a small city, small and lovely, but this is like outskirts of the city. So we're going to go to the very massive place. Now this place is called King Fahad bin Abdulaziz Road. King Fahad bin Abdulaziz Road. That is what we are. That is exactly this road I'm coming from. This is where I'm just coming from. This is where I'm just coming from.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a 나도 내게 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내게 미워. Yeah. 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 내 심장은 paradise You're beautiful girl can't you see
Actually, people come here for picnics. They come with their mats, the family, friends, come with a few things to munch on. I usually come here in the evenings just to get the fresh air and relax most of the time. But in the morning is part of my early morning walk routine, road to health. Yes. They fish a lot in this sea. Oh.
숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a
This is by Ministry of Interior Border Guard. It said the following safety instructions. Your smile will last long. This should always be observed. Oh my God, see this cat? Hi cat. How are you? Wow, I could sight a sunrise. I mean, this is breathtaking. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. What a sunrise. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is a hotel. This is the beach inn I told you about a few minutes ago. This is beach inn. Yep. Now you'll be wondering the palm trees you're seeing. They are date trees. Yeah, we keep walking. Oh my God, can you hear the sound? So enticing. In the evenings, you see a lot of people actually come here to sit under this kind of tent. Yep. A lot of people come here to sit under the tent. Like what I'm looking at right now is a date tree. You know, Saudi is known for dates. In another video, I'm going to tell you some things Saudi Arabia is known for. A few things that they are known for. Dates is one of them. So when you come here, you're going to see a lot of date trees. Lots of date trees. Yep. There are so many of them. Initially when I came, I was just wondering, why are there so many? Then someone has to tell me that Saudi Arabia is known for dates. So that's why we're seeing lots of date trees. And I think they are the largest producer of dates. I think so. So if you're enjoying my video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. So this is another aspect of this place. Yep. Yep.
너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a
This is another instruction. Ministry of Interior Border Guard, no swimming. One who violates this regulation will be exposed for penalty. Yes. No swimming. Oh my God, did you hear that sound? So this city is called Qunfudah, Qunfudah. Qunfudah. I don't know the meaning, but that is what it's called. We are still at the seaside. Yep. Now this place is so lovely, I will tell you. And I'm seeing something that is, this is a park for kids. So if you come here to relax with your family, your kids will find favor. They will find favor with this park. It's a small one, I mean very, very concise compared to other parks there is. It's very, very concise. You could see few things for kids. Oh my God, this sunrise is something else. So this on another side, this is another side of the sea. In the evenings, when you come here in the evenings, definitely you'll see some families, some women with their kids playing. So this is another side of the sea. Yes. So lovely. This is just one side of Qunfudah, the seaside of Qunfudah. There's another sea place or seaside and another aspect of this sea that I will also vlog and show you exactly how it looks. I mean, it's a lovely place. It's a lovely place. So if you find yourself in Qunfudah, just please try and visit this place. That is the essence of the video. If you see yourself in Qunfudah, visit this place. Yeah, this is the boat ride. All these people, all the boats you could see on this video, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, they are all on boat ride. And I think they start by 6:30. They start by 6:30. Yes, you can see all the boats coming. All these they are all on boat ride. 6:30, you see them coming. Yes, I don't know how much they charge. I don't know how much they charge. It's something I want to experience, but I have this hydrophobia. I don't like water, seriously. But I don't mind being on a boat ride. Seriously, so many of them coming. So many of them are coming. See what we've got. See what we've got. See what we've got. There are so many of them. So many of them. I don't know how much it costs to be on a boat ride, but it's something I have never considered. Yeah, I think I love it. I love to see people go on a boat ride, but I don't have the liver, please. Yeah, this is another aspect of the Red Sea. Yes, this is this sea I've been showing you is actually the Red Sea crossing through this place. I think so. Yeah, it's the Red Sea crossing through here, and you have the biggest fish market in this Qunfudah. That is one of the things it is known for. Yeah, I don't know, most times of the year this place is wet. I think it's a connection with the sea or something. It's usually very wet most times of the year, and you could see that the leaves are so green, so green. Wow, it's desert, but the leaves here are just so beautifully green, so beautifully green. You could still see date trees. Yes, they are everywhere. Anywhere you can think of, they are there, the date trees. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, beautifully beautiful. You could see that's the sea. I think this is the place where they board for the speedboat or the boat ride. This is where they board for the boat ride. So that is why I'm bringing you to this place, so that you could see how it goes. I don't know if they have opened for it. They should, because we saw some boats, some flying boats moving on the sea, so they should have opened by now. Don't mind the sun. It's really, this is around 7. Yes, this is around 7. I just want you to see the connection. Oh, we could spot a ship coming in. Yes, this house is where they book for the boat ride. I'm not going to go in because I don't know the protocols, but when I get information about the protocols, I don't mind coming to show you. This is actually where we're coming from, remember? This is where we actually came from. You could see the tents. Now we are here. Oh my gosh, see this ship? Let me see if I could get a glimpse of it. Yes, that is it. That is it. With a boat behind it. I mean, it's quite slow. It's quite slow. Oh my gosh, this place is so beautiful. Beautifully beautiful. Salam. Eh? Ana? Ana fashof kolo hada. Ayo. Sorry, somebody was asking me where I'm coming from. Probably they've been seeing me videoing, so they want to know exactly where I'm coming from. So this is where I'm going to end this video. If you have not subscribed, please do so. If you have not liked before, please like. If you have not shared, share this. I love this. I will be doing more of vlogs, I think so, if time permits. All right then.